Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about the secret of MS Dhoni as to how he has become the greatest captain of India, and not only that, he is also one of the most consistent players the India has ever seen. Even in yesterday's match of CSK versus Mumbai Indians, you should have seen the pace at which he actually stumped him out, and that is not something easy. That's only because MS Dhoni has a consistent practice of doing certain things very consistently from a very long span of time. Now let us just go and check what are these things that MS Dhoni does to keep himself so much successful, so much focused. And friends, in that, point number one that MSD has himself told is be completely focused on what you want. Friends, our intellectual energy is the biggest source of energy that drives results. So if you really want to get amazing result, the most important point is focus. So when you sleep, when you wake up with all your energy, give your focus to the things that you want. So now since you want to become a chartered accountant, give your maximum energy, maximum focus to this one particular point, and trust me friends, results will be positive for all of you. Point number two is take calculated risk. You would have seen MS Dhoni in many matches would take some rash decisions, which for us we might find it a little orthodox, but most of the time the risk that he has taken has actually paid out really well. Just like that, even from the exam point of view, now since the time is less, suppose you are running short of time, take some calculated risk, skip certain areas. I'm telling this only because the time is very short, but ideally if you had started long back, you should not skip any areas. But now since the time is very short, skip certain areas which according to you might not be expected in the upcoming examination. You can take these forms of small calculated risk. Point number three, don't take pressure. MS Dhoni is an expert in this. Captain cool. Whatever happens, he will be relaxed. Just like him, even we should learn to control our pressure. Some of the ways how we can do this is get some good sleep, talk to a win-win buddy, do some exercise. Incorporate this in your daily routine so that your long-term stress levels are always in optimum control. Point number four, manage your time effectively. In a day, you have 24 hours, sleep for 7 hours, eat etc. for another 2 or 3 hours, still you are left with 14 hours. In this 14 hours, give 12 hours of high intensive focus studies, and trust me friends, you will be able to generate amazing results. Last and not the least, eat healthy food, because a good food will result in good intellectual strength and you will be able to learn better, study better, score better marks in the examination. So all the very best friends, do well. I am with you. Take care.